Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to export one or multiple meshes from Blender to Unity. First, let's export a single object. Select it and press Alt plus G to move it to the 0 coordinates. Then press Ctrl plus A and select all transforms to clean the transforms. In the item menu, make sure that the object's location and rotation are set to 0 and scale is set to 1. Then go to File, Export, and select the FBX format. Set the object name. Specify the export path to your Unity project folder. Next, we need to set the export settings. Enable selected objects. Enable Apply Transform. Set Apply Scalings to FBX units scale. Disable animations. At this stage, we can save our settings as a preset. Press the plus button and set a name for the preset. Press the export button. Now let's export all meshes at once. For this, we need to install the free Super Batch Export add-on. Using the link in the description, go to the add-on page and click Get Add-on. Then drag it directly into the Blender scene. After installation, press OK. If the add-on was not installed, go back to the website page and click the Download button to save the installation file. Then you need to install it locally. Go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, Install from disk. Select the downloaded file and press Install. Check that the add-on is enabled by typing its name into the search bar. The checkbox should be enabled. After installing the add-on, its icon will appear in the top left corner. Next, select all assets in the outliner. It is important to do this specifically in the outliner so that only parent objects are active. Then press Alt plus G to move the objects to the 0 coordinates. Next, open the Super Batch Export window and choose the path for saving the files. Format, FBX, Mode, Objects by Parents, Limit to, Selected. In the preset list, select the preset that we created earlier, then press Batch Export. All our objects are exported. If you created a texture in Blender, go to Texture Paint, select the required texture, and save it to your Unity project. Now let's move to Unity. Since we exported the objects directly into the project folder, Unity automatically imported all the meshes. Now we need to fix the materials. At the moment, each mesh contains its own embedded material. Instead, we want the shared materials to be assigned correctly. One way to fix this is: select a mesh, go to the Materials tab, and click Extract Materials, then assign the materials manually. However, if you have many assets, this can take a lot of time. So let's use a faster approach. Create a folder named Editor inside the Assets folder and place the scripts file there. The link to the script is in the description. The script automatically extracts and separates all embedded materials into the selected folder. As you can see, a new folder is created containing all the unique materials. After that, you can safely delete the editor folder, because future imports will create new embedded materials again. If you move the materials to another location, duplicate materials may be created. Important, use this script with caution. Before running it in your main project, test it in a separate test project first. The script disconnects materials from the meshes, and if used incorrectly, it may cause problems in an existing project. Use it at your own risk. That's it. Now you know how to export a single asset, export multiple assets using batch export, set up materials in Unity efficiently. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.